Let's take a quick look at the new renaming options that are available in 13.1 that make dealing with scenes with lots and lots of items much easier, especially when you need to rename all those items in accordance with some sort of system or workflow you already have in place. So we'll right-click on any number of selected items and we'll go to rename ... and you can see here that we have a list of about 7 options we can choose from, and we'll step through each one. First, we're going to use search and replace, and we can say we want to search for any underscores, and we're going to replace that with a space. And we can choose OK. Now you can see that any underscores have been removed and replaced with those spaces. Next, we'll go and we're going to add a numeric suffix. Here we can have a separator, which will be an underscore, an index of 0, and a minimum length of 4. Here you can see that it's renamed and numbered all of our items accordance to our selection. Next, we'll just go to rename again and we'll choose add prefix or suffix. In this case, we're going to add a string that'll be city, and the separator can be a dash, and we can just say OK, and you can see that adds city to the front of any of the objects we had selected so that we can understand that those are all in the city group. Next, we'll go over and choose strip characters. We can choose maybe to strip the last 5 characters from our string. And so we'll type in 5 and set it to end. And we can choose OK. And you can see that'll remove all that numbering that we added earlier. We'll just undo and leave that in place. Next, we'll look at some really cool, quick, automatic renaming options like to lowercase, where we can switch everything we have selected to lowercase. And if we right-click again, we can go to uppercase, which will make everything uppercase and make it stand out a little bit more. And last but not least, we have remove white space. And that's going to clear out any of the spaces that is in our selected objects. We could also do that if we wanted to go and search and replace, and we could search for spaces and replace with an underscore. There you go. So lots of options as far as how you can group rename lots of items and organize your scenes in 13.1.